Hello again, nature boys and girls. This is Lady Flora, and it's going to rain again today, which is just fine by me. And it's a lovely gray, overcast weather, and I wanted to show you something really cool. My seminal pumpkin seeds are already sprouting, and I think they look amazing. You can almost see them like moving. You can almost see them lifting their heads, arcing their heads up out of the dirt, pushing up. That's really cool. It's really beautiful. It's always inspiring to see nature pushing to survive. I'm inspired anyways. As you may know, I make a blog every day but Sunday, so I'll see you tomorrow, but only if you subscribe. In the meantime, go outside and have a sublime day.